mga baby.
Tira! Yan si Tira.
Ako na nag-grocery shopping host.
We're here na sa Dollar General. Wala ko na.
Hello everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Tuesday! So papunta ako ngayon doon sa appointment ko ulit sa high-risk doctor para sa aking another non-stress test, and then i-measure nila yung aking amniotic fluid. So yung check-up ko until sa date kung saan nakaschedule yung aking C-section will be 2 beses na sa isang linggo. Tinry ko nga tanuan kung pwedeng pagsabayin na lang nila yung yung appointment ko, kaya lang kasi depende pa rin sa availability ng doktor. And for this week hindi nila napagsabay na parehas na Tuesday. So tawag dito, yung isa kong check-up, yung parang regular na check-up is bukas pa siya. Ang maghahatid sa akin is ang aking mom-in-law kasi semester papasok na siya sa work. Pero 1 week na lang naman, tapos nakaano na siya, FMLA. So medyo kinakabahan ako dito sa aming biyahe dahil na-trauma ako dun sa nakakatakot siya talaga. Tinatawanan ko na lang, pero hindi talaga ako makatulog dun sa nangyari last Sunday. Tapos nung last anong tawag dito? Last na non-stress test ko, last na check-up ko, meron silang mga binigay dito na brochure. Importante talaga dito na naka-car seat yung mga bata. So meron sila binigay na pamphlet dito about sa mga regulations for car seat. Ang sabi dito, infants must be in a rear-facing car seats until they are 2 years old and 30 pounds, which is namit na naman ito ni Zara. How many pounds is Zara? 36 pounds?
32 pounds maybe?
33?
31?
Yeah, that was before, but
Before she was I think 31. Now I think she's 32.
no, when we brought her to the, what's that? Urgent care, she's 33 pounds. Do you think this rules and regulations about car seats is just for Connecticut or for the whole United States? Because I think I saw someone doing a vlog and they were advised to have the child rear facing if until 3 or 4. So dahil siya ay more than 2 years old na naman, siya ay 2 years old and how many months? 1, 2, magti 3 months. And more than 30 pounds na siya. Pwede na siyang forward facing. So it's 2:29 PM. Ang aking check-up ay 3 PM. Pero dapat dahan-dahan lang kasi nga nakakatakot talaga. Love, aren't you traumatized with what happened to us last Sunday?
No.
Why? Because you're used to it?
Yes.
That's the first time that I got into a car accident. Merong instance sa Philippines naman, hindi naman siya car accident na nangyari sa akin. Ano naman yun, ang hold up sa SUV. And then, sa mga FX, na trauma din ako dun. Mga ilang buwan ako hindi. Basta sobrang takot ako sumakay sa mga FX. No? Pero na ano ko naman, na overcome. Pero ngayon medyo natatakot talaga ako. Pero si Mr. parang wala lang sa kanya kasi nga lagi naman siyang nagda-drive and lagi niyang nakikita yung mga ganong incident. But it never happened to you, right? So it's different when it happened to you directly, not to the people around you.
Things happen to me all the time when I'm at my job. I just,
But you didn't crash. As we crashed.
I've hit 3
little.
bridges with trailers. That, person watching, if there's a truck driver watching and it's like, he hit 3 bridges, it'd be like, no, I mean, I scraped under one bridge, I nicked one bridge, and I bounced off of one bridge. On my first day truck driving, I knocked over a telephone pole. I hit that deer that time a little bit, you know.
Well, at least that's a deer, not a person.
But things happen with people too. But I mean, when you're in the tractor trailer, it's not so bad. I don't know. There's something.
It's
about
scary
this
because
thing.
it's our whole family, love.
Yeah. I don't know, but it's just things are getting worse. So, you know, the stupidity is increasing. So, the more stupidity in the world, the more problems we're going to have. My mother, she said that this is the first generation that will be stupider than the generation before it. In the history of the world, there's never been a generation that was dumber than the one that came before it until now. So, you know, there's going to be more problems in the future. So the thing I'm worried about is whatever's going to happen in the future. I don't care about our broken mirror. It doesn't mean anything. And also, you got to think about, like, all the bad things that have happened in the world. You know, people suffer tragedies, and, you know, we just had a broken mirror. It doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, but it was different when
Nothing happened. It would be
something
different.
happened.
It would be different if something happened, but nothing. We broke a mirror, you know, on some idiots.
What was that? That truck almost hit us.
Yeah, but it didn't.
Yeah, but I saw it and it's so scary.
Yeah, it was scary, but that guy didn't want to crash into anybody either. So, you know, that person, you know, they were just driving along. They don't want to crash into somebody, so they're going to not crash into us. And that's what they did. And I knew they would do that. But
Yeah,
if we
it
had
was-
gone around in the other lane, that person, he would have seen us go over there and be like, I want to go over there. Because the kind of person who comes to a stop in the middle of the road is also the kind of person who has no impulse control. And when they see you going over there, they say, me go there, and then crash into us. Same thing as when I was going around them on the left side. They said, me go this way. And they drove into us on the left side. They were going to drive into us no matter what.
It looks like they did it on purpose. Kasi, papunta kami dito, tapos nakastop sila, tapos nag-move na lang din sila dito kung saan kami nagpunta. Hindi ko alam. Nakakatakot siya. Kasi ako yung nandito sa side na to eh.
And the whole thing was a big mess. That's why I think it was a spiritual, something to do with our, you know, with angels or demons. Because, you know, I think it was kind of a thing between the demons and the angels were kind of, you know, they were both there watching and deciding what was going to happen. Because that person had no tail lights. No, they had one tail light. They had no brake lights. They come to a stop in the middle of the road. They got no brake lights. They don't pull over like they should. They just, you know, all these things are going. There's an oncoming car at the same time. All these things happening at the same second. You know, and so I think the angels and the demons are standing there and they're just kind of, you know, having a discussion about what's going to happen. And then they kind of came to an agreement. They were like, all right, we'll settle on a broken mirror and scaring the pregnant woman and the baby. And so that's a pretty good deal because we almost, you know, the demons were like, we're going to kill these people. And the angels were like, how about just the broken mirror? And then the demons were like, all right, a broken mirror is pretty good as long as we can scare the pregnant baby.
So, ayun. And medyo sobrang uncomfortable na ng aking pagbubuntis ngayon. Parang sobrang baba na ni baby. Lagi nang sumasakit yung aking lower abdomen. Akala ko nga na magle-labor na ako kagabi. Tatawagan ko na sana yung birthing center pero nawala naman siya. Andito na kami guys, maaga pa. It's 2:41 PM. So meron pa akong mga 19 minutes bago pumasok. Ako lang ang papasok ngayon kasi walang mag-babysit kay Zeta dito sa... Bawal kasi si Zeta talaga pumasok dito. Yung mga baby. Kami lang ni Mr. ang pwede. Kaso may importanteng inaasikaso ang aking mom-in-law. Darating yung aking... Do you think they are already here, love? Your sister?
Probably.
Yun. And dadating yung aking sister-in-law and yung kanyang mga kids. So, hindi ko alam kung i-meet namin sila ngayon. Depende kay Mr. Zira! Yan si Zira. Naka-green. It's hot, love. Sobrang init ngayon. 2:43 PM na. So medyo matagal itong schedule sa high risk doctor. Ang init pa naman dito sa labas. Yung temperature ngayon ay 31 degrees Celsius. Sobrang init. Tapos yung nakaraang video ko, di ba nga na aksidente kami. Nawala pa yung mga clips ko na nag-grocery shopping haul. Sobrang daming kamalasan nung araw na yun. Kaya yung mga last video ko parang ang iksi lang niya. Si Zira andun sa likod, tsaka dada niya, naglalaro. Yan guys, done na ako sa aking non-stress test. So everything is okay ulit. Nakapag-video ako dun sa loob kasi ang bawal lang pala is pagka yung sa, ano tawag dyan? Yung mag-ultrasound. Pero yung sa non-stress test, okay lang naman. So, punta kami ngayon ng Dollar General kasi meron akong mga bibilhin doon. Mga toiletries and stuff. Yay! We're here na sa Dollar General. Wanna hold mama?
Baby.
The baby's still sleepy. Music safe. Si Zira, nag-grocery shopping sa Dollar General. What do you want, baby? What? Go follow Dada. Follow Dada. What's that? Kuha tayo ng mga pang-skincare.
Mama, you're the one with the take that. Miss, help me. Fine, I'll take that. Hey, but we need to. No, we don't. Because one person is on downstairs. I just want to keep downstairs.
What? What is it?
How do we go up and down?
It's behind us. Excuse you.
Cool.
Mura lang.
Done?
This one. Let me see it.
There it is.
Find it. Hello. And this one. Zira, what you doing? Where's the horse? Those are the horsies. Horse.